Okay, here she is, our store number 77. It's a 1958 7.5 horsepower Johnson, completely rebuilt, restored, bottom to top. Changed all the seals, all the gaskets, spaghetti seals, impeller, everything in the lower unit. Completely taken apart, painted, retrofitted with the new single line fuel system, rebuilt the carburetor, completely rebuilt the ignition magneto, spark plug wires, coils, points, condensers, new starter rope, new starter handle, new plugs. There's a fuel pump conversion on her. I'm going to take her outside and do a cold start. Hopefully she'll crank right up, dial in the carburetor, and turn it loose. Here we go. All right, cold start. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I promise to do weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.